If you want to clear your Opera browser history quickly and completely, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to delete your browsing history in Opera using a simple keyboard shortcut, and I'll also show you exactly which option to choose so you clear only what you want. This is perfect if you want to clean up your browser, protect your privacy, or remove old browsing data in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips and easy how-to guides. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to clear your Opera browser history is by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. As soon as you do that, Opera will open a pop-up menu called Clear Browsing Data. This is the menu where you can choose what gets removed from your browser. Once the Clear Browsing Data window appears, look for the Time Range drop-down menu, click it, and then select All Time if you want to wipe everything from your browsing history. This is the best choice if you want a full clean slate instead of just removing recent activity. Next, make sure the box next to browsing history is checked. That tells Opera to remove the list of websites you've visited. If you only want to clear your history and keep other things like cookies or cached images, you can uncheck those options before continuing. That gives you more control over what gets deleted. After you've selected the right time range and confirmed the browsing history box is checked, go down to the bottom of the window and click the blue Clear Data button. Opera will then remove your selected browsing data automatically, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you've cleared your Opera browser history and cleaned up your browser. If you want more short and useful tutorials like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.